Welcome to my vlog. This is how I started my April.
Good morning everyone. So today is April 1. Just a short walk for today habang minahabol o tinatahol ng mga aso. So already reached my 6 kilometers and been walking for almost 1 hour already. I started at 4 AM. So yun, it's already 5 and the sun already shines. Pinakadahilan po nun is to see this place. Ito. Yan.
You have arrived.
Yan. $13 kilometers already. Ilang metro na lang or ilang kilometro na lang makakauwi na. So it's already 7:30 in the morning. Napakataas na ng araw agad. So yun, thank you.